Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we'll talk about mobile app development. We have two different types of mobile app development. First one is native mobile app development, in which we use Android Studio to make Android apps, and we use Xcode to make iOS apps. In today's video, we'll talk about cross-platform development, in which we write a single code, and this code works on both Android and iOS platform. Some frameworks have also did the support for the websites. This mean using a single our code will work on Android, iOS, and websites too. I'll give a demo. In today's video, we'll talk about React Native and Expo. Let's talk about difference between Expo and React Native. If you are a beginner and your app doesn't carry that much functionalities like NFC tags, VR, ARKit, and some complex libraries, then Expo is a good option for you. You can also use Expo using Windows. You don't need a MacBook for that. Expo is pretty simple to set up. You can share the APK, IPA using QR code link. You can also write the code in web browsers. Expo do all the integrations for you. But for the native modules and adding some payments features, some complicated code, then X isn't for you at all. If you are a beginner and you are looking for a hybrid mobile app development, then Expo is a great option for you. Without you having a MacBook, you can make app for both Android and iOS. There is no any major difference between Expo and React Native. React Native has some bigger support for adding different libraries and having separate project for Xcode and Android. Other than that, most of the things we have available in Expo. Expo does all the complex integrations for us. And yeah, let's start with the demo app. We'll make an app using Expo web browser, and I'll show you how you can do it. Here I have opened the React Native website. You can see the React Native documents, the prerequisite, how to install the React Native on your Windows and Mac OS. We have all the document details. What 0.63 is the latest document. We have the support for the React Native. Here on expokany.io, you can see the React Native plans, the completed features, the in progress features, and the future plans of React Native. I have also attached the difference between React Native and Expo difference. I have already explained it here. You can see the advantages, disadvantages, and the limitations of Expo as compared to the React Native. And here are the some resources where you can see. I have also attached the simulator embedded UI for the Expo in browser. You can see how the simulator works inside the browser. And here I'll give you a short demo. Here in my device, you can simply scan this QR code using your Expo client installed in your Android device or iOS device, and you can run this app on your iOS Android device. Here you can see iPhone Net and Android SDK. These are the connected devices right now I have installed on my Mac device. And here we have a built-in iOS simulator in our web browser. We can simply run these updates in our app directly here. And yeah, here's the app. Let's start with some coding. I'm going to add a text. Let's type Raja. It supports the hot reloading, so yeah, that's why you can see the error. Let's add another tag. Oops. And let me write coderraja.com. So yeah, we can add styling. Let me add blue color, text style bold, text decoration style, make it bold, and margin top, we can add some margin here, margin top 10. So you can see right now, let's increase the font size. We can make it 30. Yeah, here's the update. It works with the hot reloading. That means whatever you type here, the code will update in real time. Here we have Android emulator. You can see how your code will work on Android device. Button will, for this we need to add a touchable opacity. For that, touchable opacity, we have different features. I already told you about that. We'll discuss complete course for Expo and React Native on Udemy, inshallah. And let's start adding some buttons here. Touchable opacity, and we can add on press here now. Text. Okay, click me. We can add on press function here now. On press. Let's type alert clicked. So here's the click me. Here is the alert dialog box. We can also test it on our web platform how it will work here. Let's click here, click me. You can see here is the website. Okay. So here's the basic tutorial how the Snack Expo work. And similarly, we have here's the complete documentation how Expo works. And simply you can install the Expo CLI here. And we have also React Native docs. Inshallah, we will discuss about React Native and Expo detailed tutorials in upcoming videos. Allah Hafiz.